There is a force that keeps the world in order. At Slkor, trust is our foundation. Honor is our spirit. Trust is engraved in our principles. Honor is proven through action. It connects us with friends worldwide and brings our products across 5 continents. This belief drives us forward as we explore the frontiers of semiconductor technology. With R&D across China and South Korea. Slkor's technology comes from Tsinghua University and Yonsei University. We're deeply engaged in advanced silicon carbide processes for 3rd-generation semiconductors. Driven by chip IP design, we define our products by market demand. From wafer production to packaging and testing, from transportation to warehousing, we maintain strict control at every stage. With new materials, new technologies, new concepts, and new products, Slkor serves tens of thousands of customers worldwide.